Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable notifications on the two-factor authentications in the Shopify application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the store button at the bottom of the page on the right, and then click on the settings button, and at the app settings section click on the account notifications button, and in the push notifications section click on the two-factor authentication button, and once it turns blue, this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.